MailCharts just fired their small customers. If you're on a self-serve plan, you're about to lose access to years of competitive data. I know, the archive is going dark, but don't panic. I have the right alternative and the right solution for you that will actually work 100% guaranteed. You need a replacement now, not next month. And you need to get your data out before they lock the door. We can help. On Panoramata, you can track all your competitors' email marketing strategy plus the SMS included at a more affordable cost than MailCharts. Even more than this, you are not only obliged to track the biggest competitors in your industry, but you can name your specific competitors in any country or any setup that you'd like them to, and the platform is going to be able to give you the exact emails that they're sending to your audience, emails, SMS flows, but also the ads, the landing pages, the social posts, and much more. It's the perfect platform to help you track all your competitors in one single place. Not only you'll be able to track all your competitors right away without having to think about it, you'll be able to track the perfect inspiration with millions of emails and ads available, already classified, categorized, and sorted out for you in a searchable manner. You can easily save them, download any screenshot, any email you'd like to, and even more than this, you're going to be able to track yourself versus your competitors and benchmark yourself in real time right away. In a click, you can actually compare yourself, see how many emails you're sending, how many promotional emails they're sending, if your deliverability is better, if their deliverability is lacking something, you're going to be able to check this automatically for you. I love MailCharts, but there are two issues. One, it's only about the big companies you'd like to track, not your specific competitor. And tracking only email is a 2015 thinking. You can't understand the marketing strategy just by looking at the emails. You need to see the ads, you need to see the landing pages, you need to see the SMSs as well. On Panoramata, we do them all for you. We show you the full funnel. So instead of just replacing MailCharts, we're upgrading your whole competitive intelligence system. So if MailCharts is kicking you out and making you take their enterprise plan, take that budget and put it into Panoramata so you can see the full picture and track your competitors effectively. At the end of the day, we all have one goal here for you, which is to help you outperform your competitors effectively and make better marketing decisions faster.